I will build my church. Christ is building his church, which is his body. The church has been commissioned and authorized by the sovereign Lord to be his representative agency in history. It makes his presence manifest on earth. The church is central to God's plan. No other institutions or organizations can take the place of the church. Our institutional and organizational ministries should complement the church and must be secondary to it in priority. Man builds institutions. God is growing a body. The institutions are temporal, the body is eternal. The institutions divide, the body unites. The institutions glorify man, the body glorifies God. The institutions are manipulated by man, the body is administered by God. The institutions are monuments to man's achievements, the body is a witness to God's grace. As history comes to its consummation, all institutions will be destroyed, but the body will live forever. Where is your priority? Is it in what man is doing or what God is doing?